The grid feature allows you to quickly and clearly place objects along the lines with grids on the screen horizontally and vertically. 3 benefits of using the grid screen. Drag and drop parts, and their size will be automatically adjusted within the grid lines. Keep the layout even when adding a row or column because the size of the parts is automatically adjusted. A display unit with a different resolution can be reused because the grid size is automatically adjusted based on the resolution. Now let's try to create a grid screen. Create the grid screen from Screen Design and Contents. Click Add Screen's Contents. Select Grid as a container type. Change the name to Grid Screen in Properties. Change the number of row and column to 6 in Properties. Place some parts and shapes from the tool chest. Parts and shape size will automatically be adjusted to fit into the grid range. You can also place the objects across multiple cells. You can add, delete rows or columns. Objects are automatically resized based on the number of rows and columns. You can keep the previous layout, and it is easy to modify the project afterward. You can also set the height of each row and the width of each column. Enter asterisk in the height and width field to evenly divide the whole height or width by the specified number of rows and columns. In this case, the width and height is automatically changed according to a grid object or size of screen, with grid screen created. How useful! Even if you change the screen size, you can keep the previous layout because of this automatic size adjustment. You can also set the fixed number. Then, the space except the fixed one is evenly divided. The fixed number remains even when the screen size is changed.